Okay guys, here we are at this little addition to the single wide trailer project. We're pouring out this little stem wall. Sits on top of this monolithic slab. We're putting some chimney block piers. Big Biscuit's gonna drill some bars down in there, and that's what we're gonna do, set a couple blocks and fill them up with concrete for the center beam. We're gonna fill this wall in here. We got everything all built, rebar in there. There are dowels in there and everything. Down in, we wet set them. Everything's glued down with spray foam. Concrete's here. We're getting the conveyor out. We can't reach everything because of this crazy shed that's here. Huh? Yeah, two's fine. Yeah, put two in there. So we're gonna have to bucket a lot of that back, guys. It's gonna suck. We're gonna put a wheelbarrow in there. But I think we can reach a lot of this, and we can reach all of this and maybe half of that. So this section here is gonna suck, but we'll get them in as far as we can and go from there. Looking pretty good, guys. We got them back in there pretty good. I think we can maybe hit a lot of that. What? Cut it off. Yeah, I know. Man, it's so close. I wonder if we could fold it down a little bit.
I mean, the truck will move it.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. They might not be happy. Actually, that's gonna hit right there.
Yeah, we're just that far corner.
Yeah, just that corner. So we got a wheelbarrow. We got a bucket a little bit.
Got a big few now.
Hey guys, Bondo here. We're pouring out this little stem wall for this trailer. If you want to see us do this concrete pad, this monolithic pad, we did that in another video. So I'll put a link down at the bottom. Here we are just filling this in, but if you want to see the pad and us form how we did the pad and formed it up and poured it, I'll leave a link. See where we can reach right here. Guys, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button for me. That'll help out my channel a lot. We do a lot of this Nudura foundations. This one's just a little addition for a trailer, but we do full basements out of these Nudura. I have a lot of how-to videos on how to put these things together. We didn't really add that into this video on how we put this together because it's just a small one, but check out my channel, guys. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of content like this if you like this kind of stuff. And we're going to be doing more of these this summer. We're putting one together right now. We do frost protected foundations out of these Nudura blocks too, so check that out. Thanks for watching the video. So this is what we're doing here, guys. We just got a little conveyor here and we're filling in. As you've seen, we couldn't reach everything, so we had to wheelbarrow some of it, but we got most of it actually from the conveyor truck. So that conveyor saves us a lot of money because it's only $200 to use it, and a pumper would be $1,000. So we ended up getting this pretty easily with the conveyor truck instead of the pump. So that's why we do it that way. It would be nice to have a pump, but I don't have a pump, so this is how we do it. We do a lot of jobs that we have a track buggy we use, and we have different ways to place concrete. We do use pumps sometimes on real big jobs, but we try to avoid it. Here we are. That's me on the hose there, pulling the hose along, just trying to get this truck backed in. It was tough because there was a shed right along the side of the mobile home here, but we ended up getting it. We used a Bigfoot funnel here at some point. One of those Bigfoot funnels. I think Tuna there's got it in the yellow Circle T-shirt. And I'm just shooting into it. Yep, there you just set it down. Big Biscuits on the vibrator. We vibrate all these Nudura walls, internal vibration, guys. And that gets all any honeycombing, and it gets the concrete to settle down and makes the wall a lot stronger. So that's why we do it. Not everybody does that, but we always do. And we're just finishing things up here. When we get down to this wall here, we'll be done. And that's how we do it. Like I said, right here we actually couldn't reach. The hose wouldn't swing over enough, so we just shoveled it in there. It wasn't too bad though. We only needed to do a few wheelbarrows. Makes it look really good when we're on fast motion here. And we put those chimney block piers in the middle because there's a center beam going down through there. And that's just going to hold the center beam. And then it's going to have a wood floor. Big Papa is going to be framing this thing up. This is his daughter's house, as I said. There's our chimney block piers. We're just going to fill them up. We drilled a couple rebars in the slab, as you seen earlier in the video. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. There's a little bit more here, but it's not a very long video. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment if you would.
Let's do it, boys.
That'll work.
Bunch of amateurs. Yep. That'll work. That's how you do it right there, huh? Tuna boat?
Oh, yeah.
Big Biscuit, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, well, we gotta clean up first.
Oh, yeah. I know.
We got a mess here, kid. Okay, guys, here it is. Got her done. It's all poured out. We got our anchor bolts in. Got our center pads poured. Put some rebar down in there to hold them. We got some things we got to break out of here for beam pockets. We stuck some boards in there. We'll just cut them out after the concrete dries. There's gonna be a center beam going down through here. And that's that. Nice little foundation for this addition on the single wide here. Actually, Big Pop is going to be building this. This is his daughter's house. So Big Pop is going to frame this bad boy up out of rough cut lumber from the same Amish guy where we're doing the camp. He's cutting all this material. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.